Today, we're in the Herd with field hockey. After playing back-to-back games last weekend, the Bison will do it all over again this Saturday and Sunday as they host Michigan and Temple, respectively. Head coach Jeremy Cook says this weekend should be an even tougher challenge than last weekend.
I think Michigan's very, very strong this year. Temple looks great. They just knocked off Drexel, who was ranked 15th or 16th or something like that. They beat them 5-1 this past week, so both are big challenges. The Michigan game last year was 6-0 against at their place, so we're hoping to build off that and get a little bit closer this year.
One weapon the Bison will have at their disposal is Patriot League Goalkeeper of the Week, Erica Perini.
Erica's just absolutely phenomenal as a goalkeeper, as a leader on the field. She's just outstanding. We're very proud of her, and it's you don't want to be reliant on your goalkeeper, but she keeps us in. She keeps games close that might otherwise not be. And she's really grown into that role and is doing a fantastic job with it.
The junior from Bridgewater, New Jersey, didn't necessarily intend to be a field hockey goalkeeper, as she started out as a midfielder.
One day in middle school, none of the goalies showed up, and our coach asked if anybody wanted to try it out. And of course, me being the eager beaver, I kind of volunteered, and turned out that I wasn't too bad at it. And then, just a little training here and there, and I just ended up loving it.
She thinks she has some traits which lend itself to playing in cage.
You need to have a lot of leadership. You need to have a lot of ownership as well to be a goalie, and I think that I'm able to bring that to the position. I know when I do badly, and I know when I do well, and I look for my teammates to really help me out, to tell me when I'm doing bad things, good things, and I'm able to bring that to them as well. So it's really a great position.
Of course, Perini says going from midfield to goalkeeper is more than just a position change, it's also an equipment change.
Well, it takes a lot of getting used to. You start to develop a certain kind of walk with your legs bowed out, but after a while it just kind of becomes second nature, and you really kind of forget that you have all of it on. And honestly, I wouldn't want to be in goal without all that padding on, getting shots from these girls.
At the end of the day, Perini says there are usually only two outcomes for a goalie.
You either get to be the hero, or no one wants to sit next to you at the tailgate, but sometimes you get both, which is fine.
The Bison and Wolverines will match up at Graham Field on Saturday beginning at noon. Meanwhile, Temple and Bucknell will meet at Graham Field on Sunday at 2 p.m.